Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia Exams. Are you preparing for the CUET PG 2026 exam? One of the first things you need is the city intimation slip. In this video, we will explain everything you need to know about it so you can be ready for your exam day. The CUET PG city intimation slip is an official document from NTA that tells you which city your exam will be held in. This slip is very important for planning your travel and other exam arrangements. It comes before your admit card and gives you some key details. The city intimation slip is expected to be available soon, so make sure to check the official website regularly. Usually, the slip is released about 10 days before the exam, giving you enough time to prepare. To download it, visit the NTA website at exams.nta.ac.in. The CUET PG 2026 exams will start on March 6, 2026. The city intimation slip is released ahead of time to help you plan. Once the slip is out, your admit card will be available shortly after, with more details like the exam center. Here's how you can download your city intimation slip. Visit the official NTA website at exams.nta.ac.in and find the link for the CUET PG 2026 city intimation slip. Click on Login and enter your application number and date of birth. After logging in, select the Download City Intimation Slip option to access the PDF. When you get your slip, check these important details: your name and registration number, the date and time of your exam, the subjects and test code, the city and state of your exam center. Why is this slip important? Because it tells you where your exam will be so you can plan early. You can make travel and stay arrangements ahead of time. Knowing the details early helps you feel less stressed on the exam day. The candidates must understand the difference between the city intimation slip and the admit card. The city intimation slip tells you the exam city and dates so that you can plan accordingly. The admit card is your official entry ticket. It has the exam center address, instructions, and your photo. Make sure you have both for the exam. If you find a mistake on your slip, don't wait. Contact the NTA helpdesk or email at cuetpg@nta.ac.in. The earlier you report it, the quicker they can fix it before the exam. That's all for this video. For more exam related updates, tips and the latest notifications, make sure to check the College Dunia Exams YouTube channel. All the best for your CUET PG exam.